Hello people, you're welcome back to the channel. One thing I must say at this point is when they announced that this week was going to be a bag of tricks, I didn't see these things coming. Like, I didn't at all. There has been a twist to the black envelope challenge. There's been a twist to the part of me and the immunity. Everything just is going upside down. Like I said in a previous video, this is a new slate and I'm going to reveal to you everything that happened and more. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please watch this video till the end because you don't get the full dose if you do not watch it. And then also, if you're new to my channel or you're an old viewer but yet you've not subscribed, this is a little plea of that you should subscribe. Click on the bell button beside for notification on every post I make. Share, comments down below, and also share this video. Give this video a thumbs up, because it helps the video get recognized more. Now, I appreciate it, even though it might be a little thing for you. Now, getting right into today. So the head of a house challenge started. It was going to be very, very messy. When I say messy, it was really messy to the point that Messi just kept making me laugh because you needed to use your face to clean something and then rearrange the Big Brother eye. And then, of course, the games were not completed. Big Brother called them to the garden and told them that they're going to start their head of house challenge. It's going to be within the lounge and in the room and maybe the dressing room, right? So, of course, Big Brother announced that the new housemates, that is Kim Oprah, Prince, Omashola, and what's her name? Lucy, are not going to participate. Now, every other housemate, when they hear the sound of the gong, they should start searching. Luckily, Cross, Doyin, and Angel found the envelopes. And then we began seeing the crazy twist to it. Cross opened his envelope and discovered that he had a box of free pizza alone to enjoy. Doyin found her envelope, opened it, and discovered that she has one buffet or a big bowl of homemade cooked meal that is going to come from outside of the Big Brother house. Angel got good luck, best of luck next time or something like that. And then we were all shocked. Our jaws were left aghast because we're like, what is happening? How does the part of me, how does the immunity now come through? Big Brother is yet to reveal. And after that, the housemates needed to continue with the head of house games. And I'm getting stressed and I'm like, oh my God, what's happening? So of course we had Angel, we had CeeC, we had Frodd, we had a number of people, a lot of them who actually didn't get to participate aside to the new housemates. And soon enough, Big Brother started, it was now time to call or mention the winner of the head of house games, and boom, Soma Dinner was announced the winner of the 5th week, the 5th head of house, and he needed to mention is what do you call them? BFFs. He called Adekunle, Angel, Alex, and shockingly, and probably heartbreaking for most people, she whatever favor she is getting, it seems like people are already praying that the God he's serving should just find a way to send him back home to his wife this week. I just hope he doesn't get... Okay, that's not me talking. Most people are hoping that he doesn't get the part of me. And then, of course, it was now time for the pardon me, please, voting. People that had to call the housemates one by one, but he gave them a rule that if there was a tie between two housemates in the nominations, it will be inconclusive and no one will be saved by the pardon me. So it started. Adekunle went in and pardoned Angel from eviction. We then had Cross, who also went in and pardoned Angel from eviction. We then had Mercy Eke, who went into the diary room and pardoned Angel from eviction. We had Ike, who went in and pardoned Angel from eviction. We had Alex, unusual. She went into the diary room and pardoned Angel from possible eviction. Then we had WhiteMoney. WhiteMoney went into the diary room and pardoned Cross from eviction. We then had Benita, who went into the diary room, nominated Cross from possible eviction, saying that he tried, and then she apologized to Biggie for, her crazy attitude, her bad attitude. And then we had Pere, who went in and saved Cross. We then had Doing went into the diary room and also saved Angel. Then we had Cross, who went in and nominated Cross from possible eviction. Big Brother had to ask him, Cross, you're not supposed to nominate yourself, right? Cross then said, okay, I nominate Cross the boss from possible eviction. Big Brother paused and asked him, Cross, and then he was like, oh, fuck it, and then he said he nominates Pere from possible eviction. Tony Badge went in and nominated Cross from possible eviction. We had Sheyi, who went in and nominated Cross for possible eviction, and then Angel was called, but when she was going, Pere called her by the side and told her that she should nominate Cross, and she was laughing that she loves this game. She knew what was going to happen. She went in and nominated Mercy Eke. We then had Neil, who went into the diary room and nominated Cross. We had CeeC, who went in and nominated Ilebaye. That was the only person who nominated Ilebaye. And then finally, we had SOMA, who went in and nominated Angel, of course. So, Big Brother now announced that because of the equal votes, the voting has been rendered inconclusive and nobody is saved from possible eviction, meaning that SOMA is the only person who has been saved from possible eviction and every other housemate is up for eviction, and that the voting lines are now open. Housemates began mumbling, complaining, jumping, and I was laughing. I was like, wow, this one fits you guys right because y'all deserved it. I know. Damn, this week is going to be chaotic. But anyways, we know one thing for sure. SOMA and Angel might just be the first people to knock in Biggie's house. Yeah, I said it. Anyways, guys, it's so wonderful to always have you guys here, my lovelies. Now, guys, if you're new to my channel or old returning follower who views my videos, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button beside for notification on every post I make. Don't forget to share comments down below and also share this video so that more people can get to see. Honestly, I appreciate you guys for always coming through for me because this means a lot. I mean, it means a lot. I'm going to see you guys on the next video, so make sure, when I say make sure, don't you dare forget that I love you. I love you so much. So bye. Have a nice day. I'm going to bring you more videos later tonight. Okay, bye.